All new Lexus vehicles are equipped with Bluetooth connectivity for mobile phones to provide safer, hands-free communication while driving. It's easy to pair your phone or music player to the head unit by referring to the Know Your Lexus, pairing a phone with Enform 2.0 audio, video, or by consulting your vehicle's owner's manual. However, if a connectivity issue does arise, some of the following examples may provide a resolution. Once the device has been paired and the engine is turned on or the vehicle is put into accessory mode, the system will automatically search and connect with the nearest registered device. If the device will not connect automatically, the vehicle's Bluetooth power may be disabled. To confirm this feature is turned on, press the menu button, then Setup, followed by Bluetooth. Then select Detailed Settings and verify Bluetooth power is turned on. It is also important to make sure that Bluetooth connectivity is enabled on your applicable mobile device. This is done on iPhone by going to the Settings, selecting Bluetooth, and enabling the function. For Android users, the steps are similar. First, go to the Settings, select Connections, and enable Bluetooth. The connection could also be potentially not made if there are already 5 registered devices connected to the vehicle. To remove a device, use the same steps as previously outlined to access the Bluetooth setup menu and select Remove Device. If 2 registered devices are in the vehicle at the same time, one device could be potentially paired strictly as an audio device. If this occurs, go to the Bluetooth menu and select Registered Devices. Both the phone and music pairings are noted with blue icons. To change these settings, select the phone or music icon for the device you wish to pair. If your device will successfully pair, but the messages cannot be viewed, or the contacts do not appear, it could mean that these features need to be enabled on the device. On an iPhone, this can be checked in the Bluetooth menu by selecting the I icon beside the connected vehicle's name and enabling the Show Notifications option to allow access to messages, or Sync Contacts to share your device's phone book. For Android users, similar steps must be taken. In the Bluetooth menu, find the connected vehicle's name and press the gear icon to the right. Then, enable the Message Access or Contact Access, depending on the issue. If an issue continues to arise, it may be necessary to follow the reset procedure for that particular device, such as powering off the phone. Additionally, the Enform 2.0 audio system can be reset by pressing down and holding the volume knob. Due to the large number of cell phone makers and models, there may be features and functions of the head unit which may not be compatible with your particular cellular phone. If you are experiencing consistent functionality issues with any of the Bluetooth features, consult your Lexus dealer. Your vehicle may have an available software update for the head unit. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.